Boy got the pup cup. Bruh, you over here spilling it. What the? Anyways, he got his pup cup. He's over here messing it up. So, I decided not to run into the store. I could get it sometime else. But, got my drink, got his drink. Oh, bro. So, as I'm driving, I'm sitting here thinking, I'm like, dude, I need to give a list of, like, what I'm going to do to the car, everything I need to do to the car, to what I'm doing with the channel, everything. So, I'm going to give you a little introduction while I'm driving over to the car wash of everything. So, like I've said before, I do have an aim gain wing at my friend's house right now. It's not at my house. We're going to install it, but we never got around to it because we both got busy. But that's at his house. And then, like I said before, I don't know if I'm going to go bags or static. A lot of people are convincing me to go static, but honestly, bro, parts aren't cheap for this car. He's high as shit. Just kidding. He's not high, but he's just chilling. Anyways, parts are expensive for this car, so I can only imagine blowing a diff or something, or going through oil pans, possibly hurting the motor and blowing the motor. So I could only imagine that struggle, especially with the. I can only imagine what Toyota would cause. Probably like 30 grand for a motor. But with all that being said, I mean, so I do want to get a carbon hood, but they are super expensive. Eventually, I want to get one. I am throwing on the aim gain wing. It's full carbon fiber. Looks very nice. I'll show you guys. It looks very nice. There is, I don't know what exhaust I want to go with. Honestly, it's hard because, I mean, this is a 2.0, so like most of the exhausts are for the 3.0, and not a lot of people get exhaust for the 2.0. I know a few, but I mean, I haven't talked to them, and I want to get clips of their exhaust, but just haven't asked or had the time. But exhaust I want to do, but I mean, if it comes down to it, I don't want my car sounding hella raspy. I want a good sounding car. You know, nothing crazy. Well, what are the odds? Someone left hella quarters here, or hella tokens, so I can wash the car. So, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wash the car. Thank you to whoever left these, but let's get into Washington. Guys, this car is super dirty, as you can tell. Those are all bugs, bro. But we just sprayed it down a little bit, so it looks a little better. It's still hella dirty though. It's still hella dirty. Hopefully those birds don't poop on my car. But yes, you can tell he's still in there, being a little bad. I think he took some of my drink, honestly. But yeah, well, super dirty, you can tell. But it's okay. Headlights need to. I should have PPF'd them before when I got the car, but I didn't, like an idiot. But this carbon's about to look perfect when I am done. Finally clean this thing after forever. So yeah, after literally just washing the car, not even 5 hours ago, bro. Look at this, bro. So dirty. Everything's all dirty again. I don't know. I'm gonna clean the interior now. I forgot to do that, but let's get back to it. So even though I went and cleaned my car earlier, having a corgi is not fun, and well, he decided to shed everywhere. So now we are on our way to go clean the interior, because he decided to get it all dirty with this damn pup cup. So we're on the way to clean that. We'll go to the little car wash, clean that, get that all clean, and then after that, I think we're just gonna get back to the whole like POV drive type deal, and yeah, let's get to it. very torquey when it gets into the second gear range, higher RPMs. It's very torquey. But it does sound good though, very good. Get the little purples. My gas after this is just gonna drop. Watch, you're gonna see it just start ticking down. Bro, it sounds so good though. Like the blow off just sounds so good. Everything about this car is just so perfect, bro. Probably gonna need to go get gas over there after the video. Bro, I'll never get over the sound of that turbo, bro. Even though it's like the 3.0 is so much more, but like this car just sounds so good. Even it being a 2.0, bro. And it's pretty quick. I'm sorry, before 4-cylinder, this is a pretty quick car. And it's like, I've had the FRS, I've had the E36, I've had a Camaro V6, and it's just like, honestly, my two fastest cars are obviously the Camaro and the E36, or the Supra. My slowest has to be the FRS though. Let's take this out of sport and see what it does now compared to as when it was into sport and now it's in comfort, just regular driving. We'll see the difference. Yeah, there's other people at the park. I don't know, I feel like it's a lot quieter. That's just I feel like it's a lot quieter now compared to how it was, but it's whatever. It just sounds so good, bro. As I'm sitting here editing today's video, I realized that I did not record an outro, so I just want to thank you guys for watching today's video, and make sure to tune in for tomorrow's video. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, but it's always a good video. So make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow.